Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that your job, your career, has vanished overnight. Not because of a financial crisis, not due to downsizing, but because an AI has taken your place. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. It's happening right now, and most people don't even realize it. Big corporations are quietly replacing employees with artificial intelligence. By the time you notice, it may already be too late. The world is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and those who don't adapt will be left behind. But here's the good news. You still have time. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal how AI is transforming industries, which jobs are most at risk, and most importantly, how you can stay ahead before it's too late. Let's dive in. AI is already replacing millions of jobs. Artificial intelligence isn't coming for jobs. It's already here, reshaping industries in ways many don't see. The biggest mistake? Assuming this is a problem for the future. Right now, AI is handling tasks once done by humans. Faster, cheaper, and with fewer errors. Take customer service, for example. Companies no longer need massive call centers filled with employees. AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT and automated voice assistants handle thousands of queries instantly, reducing the need for human agents. Journalism? AI can write news articles in seconds. Graphic design? Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E generate images with a single command. Even factory jobs, once thought safe, are being taken over by robotic arms that never tire, never need breaks, and never demand salaries. Why is this shift happening so quietly? Because companies don't want resistance. Instead of mass layoffs, businesses are simply not hiring new employees, letting AI take over naturally. Others gradually reduce staff, integrating AI without making headlines. By the time workers realize what's happening, entire industries have already transformed. So how safe is your job? And more importantly, what happens next? Let's uncover the careers most at risk and what you can do to stay relevant. No industry is untouchable. If you think your job is safe, think again. AI is advancing so rapidly that even creative and highly specialized professions are at risk. The truth is, no industry is immune, and those who don't adapt might find themselves obsolete sooner than expected. Take lawyers, for example. AI-powered legal tools can now analyze contracts, draft documents, and even predict case outcomes with greater accuracy than junior attorneys. Financial analysts? Algorithms process data faster and more accurately than any human. Even doctors, once thought irreplaceable, are seeing AI diagnose diseases with greater precision than experienced professionals. And what about creative fields? Writers, filmmakers, and musicians. AI can generate scripts, compose music, and even create realistic deepfake videos. What once required years of human expertise can now be done in minutes by an algorithm. If AI is evolving this quickly, where does that leave you? The biggest mistake is assuming that complexity protects you. It doesn't. Adaptability does. The silent revolution AI isn't taking over in a dramatic overnight revolution. It's creeping into industries so quietly that most people won't notice until it's too late. Instead of mass layoffs making headlines, companies are simply not hiring humans for new positions. A job opens up, but instead of filling it with a person, they integrate an AI system. No protests, no media coverage, just a slow, silent shift. Corporate offices are seeing AI-driven software replace administrative assistants, data analysts, and HR representatives. Customer service chatbots handle thousands of queries daily, reducing the need for human call center agents. Even in creative fields, businesses are opting for AI-generated content over hiring designers, writers, or video editors. And here's the real danger. The more AI is used, the better it gets. Every time an AI replaces a human, it learns, adapts, and improves, making it even harder for people to compete. So if AI is already embedded in the workforce and improving at an exponential rate, what happens next? The impact goes beyond individual jobs. It's reshaping entire economies. Let's explore what this means for the future. The global impact losing a job to AI isn't just a personal problem. It's a global shift that could reshape entire economies. And the worst part? Most people won't realize the full impact until it's too late. As automation spreads, millions of workers could be left unemployed, creating a ripple effect that disrupts industries, weakens economies, and widens the gap between the rich and the poor. The wealthy who own and control AI-driven companies will see their profits skyrocket, while the average worker struggles to find employment in a world that no longer needs them. Governments are scrambling for solutions: universal basic income, reskilling programs, AI regulations. But none of these are guaranteed to work. History has shown that technology always advances faster than policies can keep up. But here's what most people don't realize. This shift doesn't mean the end of human work. It means a new kind of work. Those who understand how to integrate AI into their skill set will thrive, while those who resist will struggle to find their place. Future-proofing. Your career. The biggest mistake you can make right now is assuming AI won't affect you. No matter your industry, AI is changing the way we work. But while some jobs are disappearing, others are emerging, and those who prepare will be the ones who thrive. So what can you do? First, stop competing against AI and start learning how to work with it. AI isn't just replacing jobs. It's a tool that can make you more efficient, productive, and valuable in the job market. For example, if you're a writer, AI can help you generate ideas and speed up research. If you're in finance, AI-powered tools can analyze data faster than you ever could. If you're a marketer, AI can automate tasks, freeing you up for more strategic work. The secret is knowing how to use AI rather than letting it replace you. Second, focus on skills AI can't replicate easily. Things like creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and leadership. AI can process data, but it can't innovate the way humans do. The people who will thrive in the future are those who bring unique human skills to the table. Finally, stay adaptable. The workforce is changing fast, and the ability to learn new technologies and pivot when needed will be the key to long-term success. Those who embrace change will have endless opportunities, while those who resist it will be left behind. Your next move. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. Every day, more jobs disappear, more industries transform, and more people find themselves unprepared for a world that no longer needs their skills. The question isn't if AI will impact you, it's when. But here's the truth. You still have a choice. You can ignore the warnings, hope your job stays safe, and risk being left behind. Or you can take control of your future. Learn how to work with AI, develop skills that machines can't replace, and position yourself for success in a rapidly changing world. So what do you think? Is your job safe from AI? Comment below and let's discuss. And if this video made you think, share it. Someone you know might need this wake-up call.